Hello everyone, here's our Yamaha MT-09 X demonstrator, which we registered back in April of this year, 2025. So with it being an X demonstrator, it does have one owner, obviously listed on the V5. It has had its first service and it will have the balance of the 3-year warranty and what's remaining. It's pretty much standard, there's no modifications to this at all. With it being a Y-AMT, it does come with Yamaha's automated manual transmission, which enables you to ride in either 2 modes, which is operated from this switch here, which you have auto, which is full automatic mode. You don't need to change any gears, essentially just like a twist and go. And you also got manual, which you can change gears using this little seesaw switch here, which has got a plus and a minus. It is also keyless, which is really beneficial. As you'll see in this video in a minute, I'll get it started, and I've got the key in my pocket currently, so obviously you do need to be reasonably close to the bike to start it, but the beauty is you can just have it in your pocket, start the bike, and off you ride. So ultra convenient. Also comes with things like your drive modes. The Y-AMT transmission also has modes for itself as well, depending on what transmission you've selected, because it depends if you're in manual or automatic. So it's really convenient. It's great for long distance riding, it's great for commuting, it's amazing for traffic. Just does a bit of everything now, and it seems to be the future. It's the same as what they've incorporated on the Tracer 9 GT Plus, GT Y-AMT, and obviously it came in the MT-09 Y-AMT first anyway. And they also do an MT-07 as well, Y-AMT. But yeah, as you can see, apart from that mark on the right hand mirror, I can't see any marks that certainly stand out for me anyway. This has done about 1,000 miles, so obviously there will be not perfect. It's not showroom like a brand new one, but it's certainly close to it. So it's got 1,002 miles to be exact. So on this left-hand switch, so you've got cruise control, all your indicators, and then if we start her up, you do hold the brake in, which is the only difference with the Y-AMT.